Unpacking process display. Battery installation. Insert two AAA batteries. Diode measurement. The measuring diode needs to correspond to the positive and negative poles. Resistance measurement. When the measured resistance is less than 50, buzzer sounds inside the meter. Buzzer measurement. If there is a beep sound, the line is normal. If there is no beep sound, the line is damaged. Capacitance measurement. Remember to discharge before capacitance measurement. DC voltage measurement. To correctly contact the positive and negative poles. AC voltage measurement. HZ measurement. AC current measurement. DC current measurement. Backlight and flashlight can be turned on in dark environments. NCV non-contact sensing will beep quickly.